Hello, future toppers. Let's make maths simple, intuitive, and fun together. So, we are back with wholesome new question which says we need to find out the value of 6 plus log base 3 by 2. Argument is 1 by 3 root 2, root over 4 minus 1 by 3 root 2, root over 4 minus 1 by 3 root 2, and so on till infinity. So, my point is if anything which approaches till infinity, if anything approaches till infinity, you should assume that thing as x. First, you need to find out the value of this argument. Then only you can simplify. So what I do, I used to imagine the thing which is like approaching till infinity as x. So look at this, what I'm writing. 1 by 3 root 2 root 4 minus 1 by 3 root 2 root 4 minus 1 by 3 root 2 dot till infinity. Okay, now suppose that you guys have infinite money, suppose, and suppose I will take 1 rupee from it. Do you think it will affect your value? No. As you have infinite, the 1 rupee will like create negligible effect. Okay, so what I wanted to do, among these infinity things, I will hide this thing, and still the remaining component will behave as x. Correct or wrong? So can I write that thing 1 by 3 root 2 root, then we have root 4 minus x. Okay, so if anything approaches till infinity, you should assume that thing as x, and you have to imagine only that thing as x whose finding square is easy. Okay, so what I will do, I will do squaring both sides. So it will become x square equals 4 minus x by 18. Okay, now I will ask everyone to come this side. So it is 18x square plus x minus 4 equals to 0. Okay, now so it is 72. So 8 9, so 18x square plus 9x minus 8x minus 4 equals to 0. Okay, now what I will do, I will take common, I will do the factorization. So 9x minus 4, and we will have 2x minus 2x minus, not minus, plus 1. Okay, so we got this thing as 0. So the value of x becomes 4 by 9 and minus 1 by 2. So look at this. You know that the degree of the polynomial decides the number of zeros. Here degree is 1, but we are getting 2 zeros. Why? Because in between them we did squaring both sides. So first try to understand that if you will do the square, the number of zeros will increase. So you have to remove the additional zeros. Okay, now look at this number. This is positive number, and you know that inside root also it is positive things. So outside also you will have positive output. Therefore this 1 minus of 1 by 2 will be rejected. Okay, hence the value of x becomes 4 by 9. Okay, now you have to update your equation. So it goes this way: 6 plus log base is 3 by 2, and you have argument as 4 by 9. Now look at this. Can I write down this 4 by 9 as log 2 by 3 square? 3 by 2. Now look at this. This is 3 by 2, that is 2 by 3. Both number are same, but it is reverse. So can I do this thing? Log 3 by 2 power minus 2, 3 by 2. Now you know that if anything is in the power of argument, it will come at coefficient. So 6 minus 2, and log 3 by 2 base 3 by 2 is 1. Hence 6 minus 2 is 4. Therefore the required value is 4. I hope the idea is clear and you guys can handle similar situations. So see you guys in the next session of MathFlix.